Christine, can we try, at least try, to get a healthy snack for the story time? Or am I talking to a brick wall still? Just let me know what you're eating, bro. This story is from Jamaica. And I heard you guys love me out there. So I thought, like, you guys deserve a story. Oh, but seriously, do you guys actually love me out there? Because I'll come tomorrow. Tonight, even. So there's this guy. Let's call him Marcus. So Marcus is Jamaican, but he was born in America. And his parents are the ones that are originally from Jamaica. And he would go back home to Jamaica all the time because his parents actually owned a plantation back in Jamaica. And whenever he went to Jamaica, he would hear all these like witchcraft and stuff stories. His parents even tried to tell him a couple of stories, but he does not believe in that stuff. But let's just say his parents, they got money because they own a whole plantation, right? So unfortunately, one day his parents passes away in a car accident. So he kind of like loses both parents together. And obviously that sucks, right? But he was an only child. So obviously everything that his parents owned back in Jamaica are now his. And he tries his best to keep up with the plantation, even with having like the servants that were already working for his parents. But about like 6 months to a year later, let's just say the plantation is not going well. He's not making any money, and it just seems like he's disappointing his parents because when his parents were running it, it was doing just fine. But when his parents passed away, now he's handling it. Nothing's going just fine. So as he's talking about this in Jamaica with one of the servants, how he feels like he's disappointing his parents, one of the servants told him, I know someone that can help you. I know someone that can have this plantation thriving overnight. And he's like, word? Like, who do I need to hire? And the person is like, well, she's a well-known voodoo priest. And Marcus is like, oh my God, here y'all go with this again. Y'all know I don't believe in that stuff, right? And the person says, well, you may not believe in it. Doesn't mean it's not true. So he's like, all right, whatever. I'll give her a try, but I still don't believe in this shit. So the friend takes Marcus to the person, the lady that he was talking about. And they get there, they do what they need to do. He sees everything that's going on, but he still doesn't believe in it, right? And basically he had a payment plan with the voodoo priest. He would pay partly now, and then once the plantation started thriving, you pay me the rest, because he didn't have that much money at the time. And so he agreed to that, right? That's the agreement that they had. So boom. Voodoo priest did what she needed to do, and just like the friend said, the plantation started to thrive overnight. And within the next couple weeks even, like, he's making so much money. But Marcus is still stubborn on, this is just a coincidence, because there's no way, like, this stuff is not real. So boom, he's making a lot of money, so he goes back to the lady to give her the rest of this money. And he